Good morning. Good morning. Welcome back to class. Welcome back to class. Sit down, please. Sit down, please. Be quiet, please. Be quiet, please. Listen to me, please. Listen to me, please. May I come into the class? May I come into the class? Sorry, I'm late. Sorry, I'm late. Stand up, please. Stand up, please. Open your book. Open your book. What page we are on? What page we are on? Do this exercise. Do this exercise. Open your notebooks. Open your notebooks. Draw a picture. Draw a picture. Color the picture. Color the picture. Can I clean the board, please? Can I clean the board, please? Can I go to toilet, please? Can I go to toilet, please? Can I sharp my pencil, please? Can I sharp my pencil, please? How can I help you? How can I help you? Can you help me? Can you help me? Wait a moment, please. Wait a moment, please. Pay attention, please. Pay attention, please. I don't understand. I don't understand. Do you know the answer? Do you know the answer? Who knows the answer? Who knows the answer? Can I borrow your book, please? Can I borrow your book, please? Lunch break. Do your lunch. Lunch break. Do your lunch. What is the homework? What is the homework? Pack your bag, please. Pack your bag, please. Can I go out? Can I go out? Goodbye. Goodbye. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow.